Okay, putting the drain in the shower base. So this is the inside one that goes on that side. There's a cover that goes on here. Like that, I just take it off because I don't need that on there right now. So on the shower side, put a nice bead of silicone, like that, all the way around. Get my tools ready here. Okay, and you put it in from that side. Okay, and we see still, yeah. And then you have a rubber washer that goes on, and you're gonna have the paper washer that goes on. Okay, and then I put dope, pipe dope, on the threads. Jeez. This is, I don't like this brush. This is new dope, so. Pipe dope on the threads. Then you take your bottom, which has the female threads in it, and then all threads on here. Okay. So we thread that on. And then what I do is I take one pair of channel locks and hold it between the spots where the screws mount on that side. And then I use my big pair to get it cranked down on this side. Okay. And then, oops, back that up just a little bit. Take one of our rags. Just make sure to clean off any extra silicone. Usually I use clear for this. White is what I had in my bag. But it works because this shower base has cover. And that's how you put on a shower drain assembly.